Here we are, just the update. Day is almost over, 20:38. I woke up in 3 a.m. and start driving to here, and I arrived at 1 p.m. 1:30. I set up solar system, that's freezer, so meat doesn't spoil. Door, unfortunately I have to remove 5 centimeters of wall. They don't go in, so I just secure it somehow a little bit. I carried a lot of things here. I'm totally exhausted. Those doors are super heavy. Oh, this stuff too. Here I prepared my tent so the mosquitoes don't eat me alive. It's everything is full of mosquitoes. Table, this window I put it on. This window too big, I need to remove part of the wall, so I just put carton board and secure it with some wooden door or something. Here is a bunch of tools. Here is my water, and that's it for today. I go to sleep. I have to turn off the light, so I save the battery. Battery is 2 points, and I start on freezer. Maybe I should switch it off after some time so I don't completely drain the battery. It's gel battery. Okay, here inside I will sleep. Now I go to sleep and tomorrow continue the work. It was super exhausting day. From 3 a.m. to now almost 9 p.m. Super exhausting, bunch of carrying stuff, heavy stuff, very hard day. And setting up everything. Okay, that's it for today. See you in next clip.